Okay, this is Rhonda. This is the junk journal I just completed for my son's girlfriend's baby, who is my grandson. So I'll just do a quick flip through here. This is the cover. I've actually never done one of these, and so obviously I dropped my phone. So here is the cover, and the back cover is for your birthday. I put some ink on there to make it look old. Obviously it's not a year old yet, so there's no picture in there. So anyway, so here's this. I glued these with JB Weld glue, by the way. So here's the front, and that's a pocket in the front. This is a card that I have. It's just put in there. So this here has his name and something I found on the internet, something I found in a box of stuff I bought from a scrapbook store. This one here I'm going to put that I made it. So here he is at 1 month, and there's some stuff that happened in January. A bottle. I thought that was a baby bottle. It is not. A tag. Paper. This is a book within a book. Get online and learn how to use that one. The book within a book. I learned from this one from watching something online how to make it. Journal cards. Oh yeah, this is the hair. This is at 2 months. It's from February. The Chiefs won the Super Bowl, so February was huge. This is another way of doing pictures. That's just a thing from Tim Holtz. More pictures. This is some confetti from the Super Bowl parade in Kansas City. And that's the score. I should glue that back together better. And there we go, because COVID-19 had a bat, so I added a bat. Had to have some goth in there, didn't I? So this is 3 months, and this is March. So March, everything closed in March. I put a little COVID-19. They canceled the parade. That's my son. This is another tag I made on the back. It's a shortage of Dawn and toilet paper. Can you guys see this? 4 months. 4 months is April. April more the same. That's just a fold out sheet I did. I think that's a label of something that I had. And more pictures. That's from a paper bag. A little bit about what happened in May, and more pictures. A baby bottle wrapping paper I had, a sticker from an Amazon package, and this is 6 months. This is June. More pictures. Some of these I had to grab from her Facebook page because we had to all stay home. So that's just a piece of play money. This is 7 months. This is July. We actually had a fun time over here. This is a parachute that my son caught that I retrieved. These are some pictures from July 4th. I don't know why Noah isn't in them. He is not. So this is August. This is some pictures. That's just an envelope I had, and that's my son's dog, and a tag, and just a tag I made. And here's another picture in August. And that's an interesting thing, so I left that thing. I left that sticker there. This is actually from a quilting book. So I just left it. I was covering them up, then I just left them one day. So this is a tag I just stuck at the end of the book. This is 9 months. This is September. This is, get it closed. This is another way of closing, but can you see that? More pictures, fold out pictures, and fold out pictures. You can't see that here. A fold out picture, a fold out picture, and a fold out picture. Grid paper she can write on if she wanted to. A picture of my son. I should have put on another page. I like that picture a lot. This is 10 months. This is October. This is about the time when I hadn't categorized all my pictures. That's just a ephemera I stuck there. This is Noah, and for Thanksgiving, I'm sorry, for Halloween, he was a ladybug. So there he is as a ladybug. And that's a fold out picture. And it's kind of stuck together. Then 11 months in November. This is just some ephemera I had and I put in there. And 1 year, I just, the year thing was too big, so I stuck it on that page. That's just some ephemera I found for Christmas, more ephemera for Christmas. This is a paper bag. And, let's see. I have a whole bunch of these, how to use a junk journal, so I decided to put one in every single junk journal I made. That is from Porch Prints, and it's a free printable. So that's the junk journal that I just finished. Hope you get some inspiration from it.